So, you're thinking about your next car. The conversation is dominated by two extremes, gas-powered engines and fully electric vehicles. But what if the best choice right now is actually in the middle? Hybrids have quietly evolved into a mature technology, balancing the best of both worlds. In 2025, they're smarter, faster, and more fuel-efficient than ever. We're talking about vehicles with incredible mileage, cutting-edge tech, and surprising performance. No range anxiety, no sky-high fuel costs. Just smart, no-compromise driving. In this video, we'll dive into the best hybrid cars of 2025 and why they might be the smartest choice for your next car. Let's get into it. Let's start with the original hybrid icon, the Toyota Prius. For years, the Prius was all about fuel economy, not excitement. But the 2025 Prius is a game-changer, sleek, low, and genuinely stylish. Under the hood, it's more powerful and efficient with up to 57 mpg combined and a punchy 194 horsepower. It's quick, responsive, and actually fun to drive. The Prius Prime plug-in hybrid takes it further, offering up to 44 miles of all-electric range, enough for most daily commutes. Plug it in at night, drive electric by day, and use gas only for longer trips. The interior is modern and tech-forward, with a big touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium materials. Toyota's latest